Hello everyone, welcome to Figure It with Zainab and you're watching The Super Foodie. Based on its abundance of antioxidants and flavonoids, dark chocolate can positively affect your mood by stimulating the production of endorphins, which result in that happy feeling. Besides this, dark chocolate are packed with a host of benefits. That is, it reduces your blood pressure, it improves the blood flow, and it also improves overall heart health. It also improves the brain function by increasing the flow of blood to the brain. It also contains stimulants such as caffeine and theobromine. Now the question is, how much of dark chocolate can be consumed? And the answer to it is about 1/3 to half of 3.5 ounce of a regular specialty dark chocolate. But one needs to watch their caloric intake, as increased consumption of the dark chocolate can negate its health benefits. So the question is that, is it healthy to consume dark chocolates on a daily basis? Well, dark chocolates are packed with antioxidants and flavonoids, but that does not give us the liberty to consume it on a daily basis. At the maximum, about 2 pieces can be consumed 3 to 4 times in a week. The reason is that dark chocolates are also loaded with calories and fats, though they may be good in their values, but still a portion control is necessary. And now let me share a recipe with you that you can make with this superfood, that is the dark chocolate laddus. The ingredients would be dark chocolate about 15 grams, jaggery about 30 grams, crushed walnuts, almonds and pistachios about 1 tablespoon each, freshly chopped avocados about 1.5 tablespoons, and oat rusk or wheat rusk about 4 in number. Now the method of preparation to this recipe would be to cook the dark chocolate in hot melted jaggery and add the powdered wheat or oat rusk to it. Mix this mixture extremely well till it blends well. Bring this out onto a plate and let it cool at room temperature. Now take a small amount of ghee on your palm and dab it. Take a small portion of this mixture and roll it on your palm in the shape of a mini ball. Now in this mini ball, make a small depression and add a small portion of the fresh chopped avocados. Roll it back in the shape of a mini ball. Roll this mini ball onto the crushed nuts and it is ready to serve as a healthy mid-snack or a pre-workout meal. This would be enough to make 2 small mini balls of the dark chocolate laddus. And that's all for today's episode. If you liked watching today's episode, do like, share and subscribe and continue to follow my food ventures.